Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 650. This bike is really cool, great condition, metallic green and black. It's got the black smoked windscreen, some red highlights, adjustable levers, aftermarket grips, a lot of really cool green aluminum pieces, rear seat cowl, an awesome sounding Two Brothers exhaust system. Come by, make your middleweight super bike, super sport dreams come true. This awesome Ninja 650. It's got some really cool reflective wheel tape. Price to sell just $56.99. This bike only has 5,000 miles. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful